Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload HD video on TikTok without losing quality with CapCut. So first step you need to do is to open CapCut and make sure you edit your video and click on export. Wait for a few seconds so that the next window will open. So here you can select the resolution. You can select up to 4K as well and click on export. So once you complete the export process, so it took few seconds depend on your video length. Okay, once it is done, and now you want to share that onto TikTok, so you simply need to select TikTok here, click on share, and in the next window, you have a need to give an authorization to connect your TikTok account with CapCut. So click on continue. Okay, and now you can see that uh, cancel. Click on open CapCut. Click on open. Okay, and once now you can see that once it is done, you simply need to click on share and you can share your video with your friends or your followers on TikTok because video length is small. That's why it is unable to share now. Like here you can see this error because I'm just showing you the demonstration how you can do, but you need to follow this process. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.